Pure Body Naturals Pure Bentonite Powder for DIY Detox Bath and Facial Mask. Pure Indian Healing Clay for burns, mastitis, and flamed or chapped skin. Contains 8.0 ounce jar of sodium bentonite powder, ideal for DIY detox and skin issues. Sodium bentonite clay powder is known for its ability to absorb and remove toxins, infections, and irritation, soothe redness, prevent breakouts, and shrink pores. Sodium bentonite clay draws in toxins through absorption. When it becomes wet, it works like a powerful sponge. As the healing clay absorbs impurities, it leaves behind sodium in its place. This sodium is a natural electrolyte, helping the body hydrate and rejuvenate. Our sodium bentonite clay powder is 100% pure and sourced from the volcanic ash of Wyoming, USA.